Are you ready to watch IPTV on your Roku? You've come to the right place. Today, we'll reveal how to effortlessly set up IPTV on your Roku device. Firstly, head over to 2tv.store to grab the best IPTV subscription you can find. Once you have subscribed, ensure your Roku device is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Next, access the Roku channel store and search for IPTV-specific applications. Install your chosen IPTV app, then launch it to move forward with the setup process. Now, enter the subscription details provided by 2tv.store into the IPTV app on Roku. Once logged in, explore the multitude of channels you'll have at your fingertips instantly. Select a channel and be mesmerized by the HD quality streamed directly to your Roku. With 2tv.store, never worry about buffering or limited access to global content. Say goodbye to conventional broadcast restrictions and hello to international shows anytime. Roku combined with a premium IPTV unlocks limitless entertainment opportunities for you. Remember, 2tv.store is your trusted partner in streaming the best IPTV services. Maximize your viewing experience with the simplest setup to endless global TV shows. Stay tuned to our channel for more tips and tricks to enhance your Roku journey. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Which Roku setup tip did you find the most helpful?